Hey guys, just a quick message. You know, in this society now, this generation, a lot of people struggle with anxiety, depression. But what they don't see is the beauty of the nature. Look at this. Look how beautiful is this. What's funny is people are crying that they're so sad and depressed, but they don't go outside. They stay all day at their bedroom. That's why they still keep being depressed and sad. But look, man, you're losing. I'm not. Look. Woo. Nah, I'm joking, guys. But if you're struggling and if you're going through a lot, make sure to go outside, get some vitamins, and you'll be strong. Bosh.